Hello. Let's learn an idiom to enhance our English. And the idiom is when pigs fly. Yes, you heard it right. When pigs fly. Do pigs fly? No, never. Yes. So this idiom is used to say something that will never happen in future. That means something is impossible to happen in future. ఏదైనా ఫ్యూచర్లో జరగదు అని చెప్పటానికి ఈ idiom when pigs fly అనేది వాడతాం. For example, he will never smoke. How can you say this sentence using when pigs fly? Let me tell you. He will smoke when pigs fly. I will never lie. This sentence can be said like this. I will lie when pigs fly. She will never pick up bad habits. She will pick up bad habits when pigs fly. So create a sentence using this idiom and comment me below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.